Hi, this is Luman in Luman's kitchen, and today our kitchen is in Ma'lun Mountain, and we need to hike for another 2 or 3 hours to arrive in our kitchen. So let's go. Finally, after 2 hours hiking, we arrived in this spot. This is very good for my cooking. So first, let me introduce to you the dish that I'm going to demonstrate to you. Our dish is very traditional Taiwanese stir-fried noodles. Okay, first let me introduce the ingredients that I'm going to use, and they are on the floor. Okay, here, first we need pork. The same, pretty slim pork, and this is oolong noodles. Insects, okay? Now, oolong noodles. Oolong noodle. Oo, it means black, and long it means dragon. But of course, it has nothing to do with black dragon. Okay? The reason why it has such a very interesting name is that it is translated directly from a Japanese phrase. Udon. So we call it oolong noodles. And in fact, in Chinese, there's a phrase, yes, oolong. It is used as an adjective. If something is very oolong, it is pretty confusing, out of order, and maybe beyond control. Okay? Okay, this is the starch that we need today. And we have here onion, and we have little cabbage, and this is for, of course, the color, and of course there's some kind of vitamins in it, of course. And here we have tomatoes. I love it because it can make my stir-fried noodles a little sour. I like a little sour, the flavor a little sour. And here we have vegetarian mushroom oyster oil, and here the olive oil and white pepper. Okay, first I need to marinate the pork. Hey, cameraman here, and today's cameraman is God, my roommate. Okay, and this is his son. Hi. Okay, so let me cut the pork, and I'm going to marinate the pork with a little vegetarian oyster sauce. No, oyster oil. Okay, and here you can come closer to it. Okay, yeah. Okay, finished. And I'm going to use a container to marinate it with the oyster oil, but I don't bring enough containers with me because we are hiking actually. So maybe I need a plastic bag. Plastic bag we just used, and in goes all the pork. And then in goes the little oyster oil. Okay, and I use the plastic bag to marinate it. Okay, so convenient, right? Yes. And this oyster oil will bring this lovely pork, very vivid color, and of course sweet and a little salty flavor. Okay. Yes. Okay, then I think they are mixed with the oyster oil. Oh, this is still icy. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And then just leave it here, marinated. And then I'm going to chop some onion. And to tell you the truth, there are so many flies around my eyes. Maybe they love the flavor of the salt from my eyeballs. Yes, I just sweated a lot. And now I'm going to turn on my stove. I need my lighter. And then turn on the gas here. Okay. Hey cameraman, you can sit down, it's okay. Yeah, I can sit down, or you can do this. Yeah, you can do this. Really? Yeah. Okay. Last one. Yeah. Okay. Finished. Yes. And here in goes because I cannot use my palm to support me up, so I have to use my elbow. And here the olive oil. In goes the olive oil. And then in goes all the onions. I have to be very careful. I have to keep them very clean. So, yeah. What a lovely sound, sizzling sound in the big nature. Actually here we can hear the cicadas, we can hear the birds, and I can hear the singing of all the branches and the leaves. And now, I politely invite this delicate sizzling sound into our lovely forest. Okay? Then soft. Okay. And here I'm chopping some tomatoes. Here, cameraman, here, you can come here. Yes, like this. Just like this. And actually, I want to eat them raw. I'm thirsty now. It looks so juicy. It seems that it can quench my thirst. Okay. Yeah. Okay. In go tomatoes. Here. Now I'm chopping the little cabbage. Yes, you can sort them. It's okay. And now let's look at out here. Come on, close please. Yes. Okay, and close it for 2 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes later, here. So good. And now all the pork, very well marinated pork, into the pot here. Look at the pork. Come on. Yeah. The pork. Okay. And now cover it. And now here, let me open the udon noodles. Typically speaking, whenever we go hiking, getting to the mountains, to be time saving and to be very convenient to you, we always bring instant noodles. Yeah, here, because now this mountain on this platform here, this is our Luman's kitchen. Yes, people. Okay, and in goes some oyster oil, and in goes some water, which I just bought from the convenience store on the foot of this mountain, and stir them. Stir them. Stir them. Yeah. Okay, have to mix them well. Yeah. Okay. And now a little more water. And just add some green stuff into it. That is our little cabbage. Little cabbage here. Okay. Okay, stir them. Stir them. Thank you, my roommate. He's the cameraman here. Okay, clean it and let it not simmer but boil for another 3 minutes. Okay? 3 minutes later, let's see our work here. Yeah. So good, right? Oh, so hot. Oh. Okay, turn off my lovely stuff. Okay. Finished. Let me try it. The first noodles. Sour, salty, and sweet. Yeah, just like what I mentioned. And pork. Very tender. Good. Let me tell the truth. It is absolutely delicious. I'm a genius. Okay. Okay, finished. Now we are going to eat a very big meal. So, Luman's kitchen. See you next time. Bye.